In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Zoom. This is a quick setup that connects your HubSpot account with Zoom so the two platforms can work together more smoothly. If you use HubSpot to manage contacts and Zoom for meetings, this integration can help streamline your workflow and reduce the need to switch back and forth between tools. To get started, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the top navigation bar and find the Marketplace icon. Click on it and then choose App Marketplace from the menu. This will take you to HubSpot's app directory where you can browse and connect supported integrations. After the App Marketplace opens, use the search bar to look for Zoom. Be sure to choose the official Zoom app provided through HubSpot, since that's the version designed to work properly within your account. When you find it, click on the app to open its details page. This is a good moment to quickly review the app information so you know you're selecting the correct integration. Next, click the Install button. HubSpot will begin the connection process and open a dialog box asking you to sign into your Zoom account. At this stage, enter your Zoom login details in the sign-in window. Make sure you're using the correct Zoom account, especially if you manage more than one, since the integration will be tied to the account you authorize here. Once you've signed in, Zoom will display the permissions request. This screen explains what access the integration needs in order to connect with HubSpot. Review the permissions, and when you're ready, click Allow to grant access. This step authorizes the connection and lets HubSpot and Zoom start working together. After that, the integration should complete automatically and your HubSpot account will be connected to Zoom. If the page takes a few moments to refresh, that's completely normal. Just give it a second and wait for the setup to finish. As a final tip, if you run into any issues during sign-in or authorization, double-check that you're logged into the right HubSpot and Zoom accounts before trying again. Using the correct accounts from the start helps avoid connection problems later. And that's it. You've successfully integrated HubSpot with Zoom and your setup is now ready to use.